One Saturday afternoon, Henry was puffing along down the countryside. The sun shone, the fields were green, and the birds sang. Henry had plenty of steam in his boiler, and he was feeling happy. "I feel so well, I feel so well," he said, as the coaches clattered. Then he saw some boys under a bridge. "Beep, beep, hello," he whistled. Then, something happened. "Ow!" he groaned. "That hurt." The boys didn't say hello and take his number. He dropped stones on them instead. There were silly, stupid boys who thought it was fun to drop stones onto his funnel. It's a shame, he groaned again. The coaches are worried too. They've broken our glass, they said. Then they stopped just in time. Nobody was hurt, but the passengers were very cross. "Call the police!" the crowd yelled. "No," said his driver. "Leave it to Henry and me. We'll teach those lads a lesson." "What would you do?" they asked. "Can you keep a secret?" Yes, they said. "Well then, Henry is going to sneeze at those boys." "What?" "Yeah, sneeze at those boys." Look, and Henry pulls air into his funnel, and then he pushes it out with smoke and steam. "How interesting," the crowd said. Lots of people were waiting on the platform. The driver explained what happened. "Henry has plenty of ashes," explained. "Please keep our windows shut till we pass the bridge. Henry is excited as we are, aren't you, old fellow?" But Henry couldn't say nothing. He was stuffed up and exciting. Soon they could see the boys, and they all have stones. Then his revenge was ready. "Are you ready, Henry? Sneeze hard when I'll tell you." Smoke, steam, ashes went everywhere. Then they ran away. "Well done, Henry!" called his driver. Henry felt pleased with himself. Henry has never been bullied, and he has a lucky day today. And they also teach him a lesson, not to be so mean. Tomorrow, the boys will never, ever drop stones on him ever again.